Hi friends, Suzanne here. Welcome to another card kit of the month video. This is the host code that you need to use in order to get the card kit of the month for June 2021. For this month's project, I'm featuring the Sweet Ice Cream stamp set. So you're going to get 2 cards and 2 envelopes. And you are going to start off stamping. I used Pool Party for this sprinkle. If you don't have this stamp set, what you could do as an alternative is do a bit of spattering with your markers. I've inked up the sentiment Treat Yourself with Bermuda Bay. And now I am putting dimensional adhesive on the punched out pieces that you have. So in each card, you're going to get a cone like this one, and it sits just right about here. And then you have 3 ice cream scoops. And I punched them out with my punch. So the best thing that I found to do was to put dry adhesive on the bottom part of the ice cream scoop, and then 2 dimensionals on the top of the ice cream scoop, which is exactly what I'm doing here, and removing the release paper quickly. And I will settle that ice cream scoop right on the cone. So you could leave it like that, and that looks great. But we can add 2 more ice cream scoops, again with dry adhesive on the bottom part, and then dimensional adhesive on the top part. And I will say that I absolutely love this stamp set and punch. I was going to do an online class with it, and I think I still will. It is a bundle in our annual catalog, so it gives me a little bit of time because right now I have quite a few classes that I have going at the moment. And like I said, you could put a triple decker or just a double decker ice cream, whatever you want. All right, so now I'm taking my dry adhesive. This is Seal Plus is what they call it. It's my favorite. It's very sticky. And I put a little bit of that adhesive on the back of this strip, and you will put this strip on the larger part of the card. You'll see when you get the cards that they have a shorter side and a longer side. And I'm going to cut off the excess. That always makes my scissors sticky. And then I have to use a alcohol wipe to wipe it off. Now I'm going to use that same dry adhesive, and I'm going to put it all around the back side of the card. And I apologize for the noise. My window is open. I'm going to put the paper, the card front on the table and the shorter card on the table, so that gives it's a different way of opening the card, really. It does look like there's a nice border around it. So I use Wink of Stella all over the ice cream scoops and the cone. And here is the second version. Don't forget to use the host code in order to get yourself one of these amazing card kits. You can see all the supplies I used today listed down below in the video's See More section or in the supply section of my blog. The links will take you to my Canadian online store. Thanks for watching, and bye for now.